Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today for another Destash video. I have been sorting out all of my rubber stamps, and I have sorted this whole huge pile out for everyone. Now I'm going to sell this as a job lot. It's going to have to go to the UK, I think, because I think it'd be too much to, well, I could send it abroad. I'll just have to weigh it and find out the cost of it. This is a huge collection of stamps, rubber stamps. They are, some of them have not been used, some of them have been used, but there's an awful lot that are brand new. There are over 50 packs of stamps here, and trust me, you know, I've spent a fortune on them. So let me just move them all to one side and show you, if Charles will let me, what you have. So I have these, you are being a pain, 5 block rubber stamps, and there's 5 of these with these gorgeous, these I have, I think I tried them once, but then I didn't use them after that. So you've got these 5 gorgeous, these are just beautiful stamps, and all these lovely blocks. So let me just put those over there. There are so many stamp sets to get through here, so Charles is going to have to move out of the way, I'm afraid. We have Christmas stamps, we have all sorts of stamps. So this is, let me just get something to put behind it. So this is the first one. It is a Christmas stamp with candy canes and a Father Christmas. And then I have a robin. I don't know if you can see that. There's a robin one. And this one is the Care Bears. I think they're the Care Bears. And it's got wishing you happy Christmas to a wonderful. Then you've got mum, dad, daughter, son, brother, sister, friend, husband, wife, filled with love. It's a handy one to have just for the sentiments alone. And I love the font that's used on there. Right, pack it in now. Now these are brand new. I've never used these. And you get the dies with the stamp. Right, sorry about that. Charles decided to knock my phone, and it's you're going to be a pain today, aren't you? Move, come on. Oh my goodness me. Right, I was showing you these. These are stamps with dies. So you've got the dies with these. These are just got like little frames, and then you've got little edges there. And then this one is a flower, and it's got the flower die, and it's got other flowers and little butterflies on that one. Then oh my gosh, there's so many here, it's not even funny. This one has been used, but you can see this is a Christmas stamp set. It's got a Christmas tree, little characters, just a very cutesy one. This is a great big huge, these are like background stamps. I don't know if you can see them properly. So as you can see, they are just like backgrounds and lots of edges and decorative corners. That one has been used. I have this one which I haven't used, and this has got all of these on the back here that you can see. This one's never been used. It's a big pack stamp set. It's got lots of delicious stamps in it. This one has have fun, have a whale of a time on your birthday, wishing you a brighter day, sending a wave. And it's got like a little dolphin and a whale tail, little boat. And then this one is a dog one, and this has got lots of dogs. Happy birthday, dog on it, I forgot. Dogs leave paw prints in your heart. There's nothing like quite coming home to a dog. So that one has been used, but only once or twice. Then we have this one here, which is a great big dandelion and lovely edge. This is just lots of decorative swirly whirls, lots of them. And then we have another Christmas one. And I've only used one of the stamps in this one, which is the Merry and Bright. Lots of baubles, holly, just decorative baubles to stamp and colour in. And then this one has this cute little dog and this little girl, Christmas tree, bauble lights, decorative, little robin. That's actually really cute. I've had that for ages. And look at these. These are so cute. Look at these dogs. They are so cute. I've forgotten what his name is, actually. I had quite a few of these. So you've got him kind of dancing. You've got Happy Christmas, lots of love. Then you've got a penguin and a Christmas tree. This one has a robin, a nice tag, another little robin, snowflakes, holly. That one says Merry Christmas to all. Ow. This one is just like a rock chick fairy. Oh, it says rock chick as well with bits and pieces. That's a bit different. This is a cute little bird cage and flowers. There's You're the Best, may all your dreams come true. Ow. Right, oh, he stabbed me then. Did you hear that? Right, these are called Smirk. This is Love and Friendship, which says fabulous friends, lovely day, bestest friends, lovable, rain or shine, you're always there for me. And it's got these cute little characters and rainbows. And this one is called Naughty But Nice. Look, it's got a little pussycat. It says eloquently evil, gorgeous, naughty, nice. And it's got these cute little girls. And I've got this cute little cupcakes. It says, cupcakes, time for cake. And then this one here says wish, dream, sparkle, imagine. And that's got these lovely, gorgeous masquerade girls in it, and like a fairy. And just lovely, lovely stamp set. Oh my gosh, there are so many to go through. This is really cute. I have used this for invites for a tea party. And it's got a cat and a dog and a tea pot. And that it says, have a delicious day. Sweet as a cupcake. Let me actually zoom. Oh, I don't know what I did then. I was going to try and zoom in so that you had a better picture. Now this one has got one stamp missing just there, but it's still got 1, 2, 3, 4 lovely stamps in there. That one's just missing. I don't know what happened to that. And then I have another gorgeous cat with a high heel on. It says relax and enjoy your day. I'm going to move these out of the way a second so we can get these others. Oh my goodness me. There are just so many. It's not even funny. Right, move them there. Move them there. This is going to be a big old box of stamps. Okay, then I have, let's have a look, got all of these left. So we've got a love one, which says I love you. And it's got the little bears and the love heart. Got a couple of number stamps, sorry, an 8 and a 5, and it's got the 8th and 5th, so that's good for birthdays. There's another little bear one here to a special someone. These are just decorative borders, lovely shells and decorative borders for your projects. This one is like a background stamp, and it's got like writing and a lady, if you can see her, in her fur coat, and this lovely flower image here. That's actually really gorgeous stamp, that one. Another Christmas one, which says wishing you a happy Christmas to a wonderful mum, dad, daughter, son. Oh, I might have shown this one. I think I did. Oh, actually I did. Right, we've shown them already. Sorry. Right, okay, this one has a tag, butterflies, a dragonfly. This says handmade, upside down, with love, little butterflies, and it's got also got a tag as well. This is another of those Care Bears. And it says, someone special, best wishes, happy Easter. Easter treats with love from me, love from me to you. Sorry, couldn't read that one then. Then I have this lovely girl, and it's got a love heart, and it says, love you with all my love you lots, sent with love, and with love from me to you. This one is so super cute. Look at these little girls on here. I don't know if this is going to pick it up properly because of the stamp underneath, but it's got these cute little girl characters and a little penguin. It's a bit of a Christmassy one. Then we have this one here, which makes this bicycle with a basket and flowers and a little dog. You can have it. It says, enjoy the ride. Beautiful day. Thinking of you. It's got a lovely banner, balloon, little flowers. This one is like a sweet treats one. And you've got the sweet jar. Hope your day is as sweet as you, especially for you. Heartfelt thank you. Heartfelt thanks. Got butterflies, flowers. And then this one is super cute. This has got a frog, a duck. It says quack, ribbit. Translated, hello, quack. Translation, happy birthday. I splashed out for your birthday, make a splash. It's got grass, it's got welly boots. That's just a super cute fun one. And I have this gorgeous rose one, and it's got, if I had a flower for every time I thought of you, I would walk through my garden forever with love. I can't read that. And it's got beautiful, beautiful roses. This is another brand new one. It's like a Father's Day one. It says, best dad, you're the greatest. So it could be men's birthday. It's got like a medal where you can put simply the best, number 1, you're the best, and it's just got best dad up there. This one had a stamp block in it, but I used the stamp block, and it's just birthday things like birthday cake, banners, hats, birthday wishes, balloons, happy birthday. This one is butterfly, so you've got a butterfly background and the 3 butterflies. And then this one has cupcakes and a little girl, and it's got lots of sentiments, but it's the wrong way round. Oh, I put it on the wrong way. But it's got lots of sentiments in there, but that's that one I did use. This one has numbers and little squares. So you've got all the numbers and some flowers and a star. This one is a panda, and it says, beautiful, happy birthday, Valentine's Day, special day, on your anniversary wedding day, congratulations. And it has these very cute pandas, as you can see there. And then I have this gorgeous baby one, which has letters and numbers, and it has like a pram, a little baby, and being carried by the stork. There's the stork there. You've got the letter blocks, number blocks, building blocks, a rattle, lots of a little bottle and that there, and you've got the letters there. And then I have, last but not least, this great big stamp set, which is obviously a man's one, and it's got cricket, it's got, oh my gosh, darts, billiards, tennis, darts, fitness. It's got a bicycle, weights, trainers, weights. It's got loads and loads and loads of stamps, and it also shows you on the back how you can use some of them. So let me just zoom out. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, whoops, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 sets of stamps, and some have got dies with it, some are new. If you're wanting to start out with stamping, this would be a great haul for you to have. I am looking for £40 for the whole lot, and just £4 postage in the UK. If you're anywhere else, let me know. I can always get it weighed, but it's well worth it. I mean, these sets alone cost me like £10. These ones, these are brand new. They have never ever been used, and there's quite a few of the brand new ones in here. So I'm asking £40 plus £4 postage. So if you're interested, please leave a message below, and I'll get back to you and let you know if they're gone or not. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Take care. Bye bye.